Welcome in today presentation, and today we're gonna discuss about Google Sheet. And our today agenda is why we learn Google Sheet and how to format a cell or range of cell, how to create formula, and how to share the sheet. So Google Sheet is nothing but a spreadsheet. What is just most likely to Microsoft Excel. So all individual I think need to learn Google Sheet, and as you know, like Microsoft Office, you need to install it though, and also in some cases you have to uh, pay something for getting or using Microsoft Office. But Google Sheet is completely free. You can work very easily, collaboratively with your team. You could share your Google Sheet uh, to your meet or your teammate and with your friends, and there is not that much hassle. Just you follow the below link uh, where I discuss about Google Apps, how to download Google Apps, how to use Google Drive. So you could watch these things and you could learn more about Google Apps. So today we will only discuss about Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is using for uh, mathematical calculation and for, like, for example, budgeting, sales for forecasting, or anything. So but it's very suitable to work in online, which stored in cloud, and as long as you keep working, and it's going to auto save everything. So you don't need to worry about that you lose your data. And while you open any computer, you could see your Google Sheets work or Google Sheet file, and you could share to anywhere. So you can work anywhere and you can share anywhere. So that's why Google Sheet is very amazing. Now let's start by how to works on Google Sheet. Uh, in browser here you can write as it sheet.google.com and press enter. So this is the very basic and very fast page you could see while you open the sheet.google.com, and it's redirect here. And these files, whatever I recently work, and then you could also, they're like template, you could follow them, or else you can start with blank. And at the very first stage you could write the name of this spreadsheet. So here you write like uh, work on sale. So this is my Google Drive, and if you go in Google Drive folder, and then you will find it like it's saved in here, and see work on sale. So it's saved in your hard disk, and it's also saved in. So as I use Google Apps, so that's why it's come here. Otherwise, it's stored in cloud. And the imaging things again, you don't need to save it here. So, and you could open a new Google Apps, and then here open existing one, whatever I work in before. Then you can import some things, make a copy, and download as here you could see this amazing things like Microsoft Excel. Like Microsoft Excel has an XLS format, and then you can create a PDF file. So it's really amazing, and also HTML or zipped version. So so CSV file, which is very high level stuff. So that sort of things here. So here if you see like we could say grid line. Now see all grid line is gone, and now maybe we have an intention to work after these things. And let's start with, okay, now let's merge these cells. So I think this one is merging tools. So text is merged, means all cells is merged and became cells turned into, like see here, 4, 5 and 6 row, 3 row, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 column made into one cell as I merged it. and and if we like to give a border, here this kind of border I like. And so you could change the font size here like 18, or if you like more bigger size, then you could use this one. And if you like to give a color, you could use this one as a fill color, and then uh, go format, and then alignment, go in center. Now it's became in center. um, this one is centered in horizontally, and like if we like to make it center and vertically, and then make it middle, now it's in middle situation. Now again we take some few cells and then make them like this one. And I like to give them a different color from here, like maybe this one, and also this one. So here you could write here long, right? You could write 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if you select them and then drag it, what's happened? Yes, so it's automatically come all this number. And actually today my intention not to go in details everything, just create a simpler report how to use them, and just introducing you Google Sheet. But if I like to show you everything, then it's take like 1 hour, so I don't like to go that much time. Now it's almost 9 minutes. So like name, so any name you could put here, like yeah, gems, and here sale. So gem sale is, so here I like to give a, I like to give a conditional formatting here. From here it is, and then if I said like if sale is greater than um, 1000, then it format will be like a green, it's a good job and done. And then we can add another conditional formatting, like less than. Now you could use any of them, like there are a lot of things is conditional things is here, like greater than or equal to, greater than, less than, is not equal to, something like that. Whichever which one is like suitable, you could use it. Now I gonna use them less than, and like 500. Then that means this alarming something, like this is too less sale. Now let's see. Now it is white. Now if I write 250 bucks, so it is red. But if I use like 1200 something, then it's became um, green. And also we can select this sheets, cells, and then we can say this one is the amount currency format. Now it's became a currency, and there is a comma and there's a currency format. And then you could use date, and date here format, and the number here. I could write here the date, and if I say like whatever you read, type I write, for example May 25 2019, and let's see, like whatever date in any format is converted into our desired format. So this is the cell formatting stuff. And then here we could write commission, and here commission is uh, we can put equal sign, and then click here. Then see is a cell reference. If we put equals and click there, then it's a cell reference, and even if you type it, then also it will show, and see the same value is showing. Now if you say into, and if I give a bracket and say if, and then again bracket, then logical expression, again I gonna click there, this cells is if greater than 1000, and then put comma, and then it's a 12%. If it is more sale, then more commission, 12%, or else 10%. So as is 12,000, so is getting. And also these things, if I put here, for example, another person like John, he earned like maybe 200 bucks sale, and like May 10 2019, and then see it's not coming here. But if I drag it here, drag it all on the spot, then see he got like 10%. So 20% is 10% is 20. Now another guy, he's called Rakib. sales guy is Rakib. Now he is like 2000, 2000, and see now here it is 12% sales only for this kind of formula. There are a lot of formula, like you could find the average, mean, and then how many sales guys there, this sort of things. Now if we write here total, and then and here you could this sum function, and then drag all these things. Also you can type it like f2 f82 f22, then it will become here total sales. Finally, we covered why we learn Google Sheet, how to format a cell, and then how to create a formula. Right now we just show it. Now we're gonna show you how to create how to share the sheet. And let's go again, and then here go click and share, and just type an email, and anyone email, but of course the email should be an Gmail account. That will be a prefer to edit it, otherwise he only can see it but he couldn't, I mean, do all this and facility. So it's better to you could write any Gmail address here, and also see here there are three options. You uh, can comment only, or can edit only, or can view only. Okay, whatever you think is suitable, and you could get a shareable links from there, and that's it. After putting the email address, you write done. That's it. Thank you watching my video, and I will request you, if it is little bit important and little bit benefited for you, please uh, click on the like button or share this video to someone else can see. And if you think that you need more details, then let me know. Just write a comment below of the YouTube, and of course subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.